Hello, my friends. I'm going to be making Twinchies today. Welcome to Creating with Jovi and welcome to Twinchie Tuesday. I was just watching my friend Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girls channel. She's also a design team member and she's hosting Twinchie Tuesday. So I had this scrap piece of paper and actually I just finished making, well, let me show you. I just finished making this index card. It's still drying, the stickles are drying, but you can see it's an index card for Penny at Penny's Crafty Creations collaboration. And I had scrap because I put some of this paper underneath Ariel. And so I had some scrap and I saw the Twinchie Tuesday video and I was like, oh wait, I can participate in Twinchie Tuesday. This is perfect. So I went ahead and I cut it into 3 pieces and I thought, let's go ahead and make 3 Twinchies. So what is a Twinchie? A Twinchie is a 2x2 square that you turn into a piece of art. Some people do 1x1, but that's pretty tiny, although you could do it. So I think anywhere between 1 inch and 2 inches is a great size for a Twinchie. In April, I was doing From Magazine to Masterpiece, and boy, that was a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed just sort of focusing on what was going on in the magazine and then creating from it. That was just a blast. So at any rate, back to right now, you know, I was considering I might use this side actually. It's kind of cool looking. At any rate, let me get back to my story. From Magazine to Masterpiece, and there was some scraps that I had created, obviously, you know, from some of the pages, and I went ahead and grabbed my heart punch, and I thought maybe I could make Twinchies with hearts on them. So actually, since we're working with hearts, let's join in on another collaboration here today. Hearts All Year, and that is the hashtag, is hosted by my friend Susan of Susan's Heartstrings and Terry of Tellin's Place. The heart will be our first layer. Let's get those glued down and then we'll decide on our second layer. I flipped all the hearts over so I can go ahead and get glue on them all at the same time. All right, oops. Here we go. Now, do I wanna do it like that or do I want it kind of off the Twinchie? This one I think I'm gonna do off, kind of hanging off the edges. I like that. It's just kind of organic looking, so I'm gonna pull that down just a little bit. There we go, I like that. And then on this one, let's be a little different and we'll get this tucked into the corner there. Is that too plain? It's a little plain. I gotta turn it just a little bit, guys. I can't help it. Gotta turn it. There we go, okay. And then this one, how did we have this one? We could do this one just straight up. Yeah, let's do it straight up. I like that, I like that. I'm gonna flatten them out with my little spatula. And you can use your scissors or a bone folder, but I do like to do that. On one of them for sure, and I'm thinking the rose, we will definitely do stickles on this one, right? And then while I'm putting the stickles on, I'll be thinking about what else I'd like to do. And actually, I'm gonna use the grapefruit on the rose. And that way our pinks will be 2 different colors. And then we'll use pinks on the other part. I don't have green, so I'm wondering, I could use blue on the stem, but the blue I have is pretty intense. I don't know if that would be the best. Let me think about that while I'm putting the pink on here and there. So I'm just gonna follow, there's some lines here. I'm just gonna follow these. Oh, and this has polka dots, so actually, I'll just put a little, that'll be different, right? Little polka dot in each one of these. That's fun. We'll follow the lines here. And then these have little dashes, so I'll just do little dots on that. That's super cute. We'll turn this sideways and you can see there's like some little outlines and we'll just kind of do part of the outlines. We don't have to overwhelm it, but that's looking really cute. Ooh, and let's go around the edge here, right? Do I want to go around the other side? Oh, I don't want it to be too much, you know? It might be kind of cool if one side it's all the way around and the other side it's not, or does it look unfinished? I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. That's my decision. I'm sticking to it. I'm gonna force myself to stick to it. So back to the green. Let's use the white on the green because the green will show through. I'm pretty sure. Let's test it. Yeah, green is showing through perfectly fine. We'll get our leaves. And our first Twinchie is done. And I love it. That was so quick and so easy. Hold on, let me show it to you up close. Look, it's so cute. So let's put this one up here out of the way so we don't, you know, mess it up. Right, I'm thinking, let me grab my goodies that I have not packed up yet, and let's see what else we want to do on this one. I decided I'd go ahead and grab these flat back little pearly things. They're so pretty. And now I have to decide what color we're going to use on here. I see a few contenders. This one is a pearly one, and actually, you know what we'll do? Let me grab my tweezers. I thought what we could do is just grab a couple of them that we think might work and put them on the heart, and we'll just test out the colors. So this is a contender, although it's pretty blendy. The one next door to it it's got a little bit more color. Don't know if I think that goes great with the green, but you know, we're trying these out. That's why we're trying them. This one is pink. It's a soft pink, but let's give this a go. Oh, it's kind of blendy, but also really soothing and pretty. Let's try the hot pink. Let's see what happens. Oops. Oh, I got one. Okay, I didn't think I did. So this is the hot pink. So if we put this up here, that definitely pops. I don't think I would want the white, but let's put it on here. You never know. Yeah, it kind of disappears. Do we like any? The only other ones that might be a consideration would be the yellow. I don't know that that's going to work. And then I also have like these, I don't know what this color is. It's not really gold, but it's, ooh, I kind of like that one. All right, we know we don't like this one, or at least I don't. You'll have to let me know if there was one that you would have chosen different from what I choose. You know, this one really does pop nicely. The pink is just too pink. I can put that back. I do love the light pink, but it really does just blend in too much, I feel like. Even though it's so soft and subtle. I am torn with that. Let's get rid of the white one. We'll get rid of this one. It's kind of a mermaidy color. We'll get rid of the yellow. Don't really need that one. So now I just need to choose between the goldish color and the soft pink. So here we are. Let's decide. All right, my friends. My heart wants the pink, but I'm gonna go bold, and I'm gonna do this goldish color. So let me get some of these. It's gonna take quite a few, so I wanna get a bunch of them out on my desk. And I was thinking I could use Stickles too, but I don't know. Let's focus on one thing at a time. Okay, what I need to do now is grab my gem tack. This is what I use when I'm tacking down any sort of flat back. It works great. It really does not release them, like they don't come loose. So I do love some gem tack. I'll be sure to, that's actually always in my description box because it's something that I always use. But maybe I'll be able to move it more towards the top for you. Okay, so I got a big blob of it accidentally here. So I'm just gonna kind of move that around a little bit. And actually, let me do that with my spatula. I'll get a better, I'll be able to do it a little more concisely, I guess is what I'd like to do. So I'm just gonna get some of that cleaned up. Don't want a big hot mess. And then I can take I can take what was on the edge, and then I can just put it here. Okay. Now we're going to, before I make more of a mess, let's get some of these on here. I decided that I better not put them super close or I'll be doing this all day long, right? So now that I've decided what I'm gonna do with them, I'm just gonna put dots down. I think I wasn't sure at first. So I kind of immobilized myself, but I feel like I want to do it like that. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get these put on here. And let's do some more. I'm not putting all the glue down at once because you know it'll dry. So just gonna do, I think I'll do like 5 at a time. Okay, my friends, I got the little flat backs put on here. Oops, this one slid a little bit. There we go. Let me move that back to where I think it belongs. There we go. Okay, that looks better. And then I think just to add something subtle might be nice. I've got gold. I think that's gonna be too much. I've got this bright yellow, but I think that's even too much. Let's go with white. Let's just add white. I could also do the grapefruit. Nope, let's go white. Let's keep it subtle. We'll just add a little bit of shine. We're going to follow the shapes that are on the card. I don't even know if you can see them, but I'll show them to you up close. Twinchie number 2 is complete. What do you think about that? When I'm done with the third one, I'll show them all to you, and you can tell me which one is your favorite. All right, my friends, what if we did something a little bit different? I'm gonna go ahead and accent the drawings that are on here. Don't know if it's adding much. It is adding a little bit. I can see that. So we're gonna just, you know, what we're doing is we're just embellishing this and intensifying it. This one works. We're gonna keep this out. Now this one has, I think, a little more metal. Oh, look at that. All right, let's just do a little bit of that. Just adding a little bit to this. Interesting, okay. All right, that one works good. Let's grab, is there a pink one? There's not, but there's purple. Let's see if this purple one works. My daughter left a bunch of her markers with me, and some of them work great and some of them do. Okay, hold on, let's test this one. Oh, no, it does. That's really dark. So let's be very careful where we put it. It doesn't, I can see why she left it. It draws, but it's not a perfect tip anymore, I guess is what the problem is. But actually I'm getting it to work. So we're gonna add a little bit of intensity here, right? Okay, we got that. And then what I'm thinking, now that we have these really strong lines on here, let's go ahead, let's experiment just for a sec. I got these paint markers. Is there a point to use them on here? Let me go around the edge with one of them. Let's go with pink. I'm gonna shake it. Shook it off camera so you didn't have to listen to it, but I'm in love with these lately, my friends. You guys have probably heard me talking about them. So what I'm doing is going around the edge. I went through a little bit of that purple marker that wasn't quite dry yet, so it got my pink a little purpley, and you know, I'm okay with that. And we're gonna whip around here so we have a nice solid edge around our heart. I like that. Kind of makes me want to do it over here on this one. I'm leaving it alone. I'm leaving it alone. So hard. Okay, so we got our markers on there, and now we have some intensity here, and it looks kind of cool. Now I think what we do is just add Stickles to add some sparkle to it and add that extra layer, that extra color. So obviously we're going to go around with the pink, so let's do that first. And it's over top of the marker, and it gives it like an extra punch of color, because the Stickles are a bit translucent, a little bit, you know. All right, so I like that. I don't have purple, but you know, I do have blue. There's not a lot of blue going on in here, so I actually want to be really careful with that. Do I have purple? Wait, hold on. I do have purple. Let's go in with the purple. So the sun is coming up now, and you might notice that the lighting is a little bit different on my desk than it was when we first started. And that's because the sun is coming up, and my desk is right next to my window. My window is right in front of me, which is so lovely. All right, we are going over the purple lines that we drew with purple stickle. I'm gonna have to get some green. I don't have green. Why do I not have green? Why have I not sprung for green? I don't know. I'm thinking I should just go on Amazon right now and get some. I think I'll do that when I'm done with this video. I'm gonna test blue, just really on one of these leaves, just kind of, maybe just this little one right here. If I can do a thin enough piece of blue, maybe it'll end up looking green. Yeah, that'll work, that'll work. If I just don't overdo it, just get a little bit on there. Yep, that's working out great, okay. I still am gonna get some green though. You know, it's spring now, so you kind of need that. Okay, let me show this to you up close. Then I'm going to show them all three to you, and then I want you to tell me which one is your favorite. They're all a little bit different from one another. So here this one is up close. Let me sort of shift it so you can see the stickles. Can you see them? Hopefully. It's funny, sometimes when I'm making the video, I can't see them, but then when I watch it back when I'm editing, I'm like, oh, you can totally see it. All right, I'm gonna put these all down here so you can see them. I am going to focus, I'm gonna hit the button on my camera to focus on this one first so you get a nice clear view. And now I'm gonna hit the button and it's gonna focus on this one now. And now I'm gonna hit the third one, so it's gonna focus on this one now. I'm going back to the middle now. Do you have a favorite? Let me know. Do I have a favorite? Oh gosh. Oh, I don't know. So much pressure. Gosh, they're all so different from one another. I love the one with the rose because I love flowers. I love the intensity of this one, and I love the 3D on that. So it's hard for me to choose, but let me know if you have a standout favorite. Okay, my friends. Oh yeah, another quick shout out to Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl for hosting Twinchie Tuesday. Thank you, Jen. And then also for Susan's Heartstrings, and Talon's Place for hosting Hearts All Year. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. See you soon.